Village. My name is Elizabeth Muller, and today I'm going to show you how to make Spanish style bacalao. Okay, as you see, this is boiling now, and this is perfect time for me to turn it to bring it on a medium heat and start placing my peppers in here. That's my different peppers. And oh, this is going to be so good. I can smell the olive oil. There we go, just like that. Move that out of there. And we're going to just move it around like this. Move it around. Don't worry about it looking kind of big now. You know, your vegetables are not really soft. When the vegetable gets kind of soft, it's going to look really, really good. And just move it around. Stir it up. Make sure all of it gets coated. Okay? And take that. And like I said, medium heat. You're going to start putting in a little bit of your spices that you want. If you want it hotter, you can again use a Scotch bonnet pepper in there, or a pepper.